Click Buy ADA. You have now successfully bought cryptocurrency ADA. Today, I'd like to talk about how to buy and leverage ADA easily on your smartphone. The procedure for buying ADA and leveraging transactions is as follows. 1. Register on Bitget for free. 2. Purchase USDT with a credit card on Bitget. 3. Purchase ADA by USDT. 4. Trade ADA with leverage. In order to buy ADA and trade with leverage, you will need to register on Bitget. You can open a Bitget account from the video details section. If you register by entering the referral code ZUKQ in the video details section, you will receive virtual currency, coupons, and other benefits, so it's a good deal. Also, this channel distributes information on cryptocurrencies. If you like, please subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get straight to the point. Register on Bitget for free. Open the Bitget registration screen from the video details section. Enter your email address. Set a password. Click Create Account. Enter the numbers sent to your email address. You have now successfully opened a Bitget account. You can download the Bitget app here. Purchase USDT with a credit card on Bitget. Open the Bitget top page. Click Add Funds. Click Credit/Debit Card. Enter the amount. Select USDT. Click Buy USDT. Click Add New Card. Enter your card information. Click Next. You can now buy USDT by a credit card. Purchase ADA. Open the Bitget top page. Enter ADA in the search box. Click ADA/USDT. Click Buy. Select either a limit order or a market order. Enter the amount of USDT. Click Buy ADA. You have now successfully bought cryptocurrency ADA. Trade ADA with leverage. If you do not have a futures account, you can do this from the Assets Futures Transfer menu. Open the Bitget top page. Enter ADA in the search box. Click ADA USDT. Click the leverage ratio. This time I will be trading at 10x leverage. Click Confirm. Select either a limit order or a market order. Enter the amount of USDT. Click either Open Long or Open Short. You have now completed the process for trading cryptocurrency ADA with leverage. That's all for this time. Thank you for watching to the end. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. See you again soon.